Hey folks, Jeff Krause back again to go over our 2016 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk Elite. If you have a look in the front, the noticeable item is the red tow hooks. That's synonymous with the Trailhawk and the Trail Rated brand in the Cherokee. Parking sensors in the front. We have our fog lamp and our 3 lighting system, which is synonymous with the 2016. If you have a look, we have a 17-inch rim and wheel package. The rims are black. Everything's pretty much blacked out on this unit, which is really nice. If you have a look in the front here, we have a full leather interior, the 8-way power adjustable driver's seat and passenger seat. You have your adaptive cruise control, and you have park assist, lane keep assist, all of that kind of good stuff. Like I said, this is fully loaded in the 2016 year. Look in the back here. You have a leather interior again, and if you'll notice that the leather interior is a little bit different. It's brown, which isn't a very popular color, but it's very nice. Have a look back here. You see the red tow hooks again. You have your parking sensors here as well to go with your backup camera. Have a look here. You'll have a trailer hitch with the 4 and 7 pin wiring, so you can hook up any trailer. Power lift tailgate, which is very nice, and you can see in the back here that this unit does come with all-weather floor mats, and there's lots of room back here. 60/40 bench seat in the back, so if you need to store some cargo, you can pull them down pretty good. And then again with the power adjustable seats. So this is it, folks. I hope you enjoyed our little walk around of our 2016 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk Elite. If you want to stop on by St.Albert Dodge at 1155 St.Albert Trail in St.Albert for a test drive, or just give me a call, 416-770-0988. Have a good day.